Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you how I built this static tool which allows you to convert a bunch of images to PDF. It's a Canva clone kind of an editor. It runs entirely in the browser. It doesn't require any server, and you can see the interface, user interface. Whenever you load this, I'm running it locally right here, and you can see we have a drag and drop interface where you can actually pick any PNG or JPG files. So let's suppose you can select here multiple images. So you can see you have selected 4 images, and then you can even control the margin as well. So from this drop down you can select small margin, medium margin, large margin. So let's suppose I want small margin, and then we have a simple button which lets you say convert to PDF. So now what this application will do, as I click the button, you just need to give it a file name. And now your output PDF file will get downloaded automatically as soon as you click the button, and you will see the PDF file will contain 4 pages as you selected 4 images. Each image is taking the full page width and height. So it's a very good application. Many a times you need to convert your images to PDF documents. So in that situation, this tool will comes in very handy, and it's built using entirely HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And if you need the full source code of this project, I have given the link in the description. You can go to my website procodestore.com, and once you purchase it, you will actually get this zip file from Google Drive automatically. And this is actually HTML code here. If you see, we have this JavaScript code and the CSS code. And for building this application, we have used a open source package, which is jsPDF, which is a client-side open source JavaScript PDF generation library. So this is actually the open source library that we have used. You can even check this tool on my website. I have deployed this tool. So if you need to check this, you can go to my website freemediatools.com. Before purchasing it, you can actually try out the live demo. Just go to this tool. I have just given the demo link at the checkout page, so you can check out this app before purchasing it. Just select a bunch of images. You can control the margin here. Let's suppose I select medium, and now you can see it will give a margin of medium margin from every side. So this is first, second, third, fourth. So this will save you a lot of time, and once you purchase it, you will actually get the full source code. You will able to modify the source code and or add additional capabilities to this app as well. So the link is given in the description. You will get this full directory structure. This, after extracting it from this zip file, you can easily run this inside your VS Code using a simple extension locally. It's very easy to deploy this as well. You can simply upload all these files to your shared hosting, and it's a single page application which runs entirely in the browser. The user will pick their images, select the margin, and then as soon as they click the button, you will see the images will be converted to PDF. So this is an application, guys. If you are interested in this, the link is given in the description. And thank you very much for watching this video. And also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.